Good evening, and good day, everyone. I am Miss Belinda M. Salayon, and I will be presenting my DF number two, Dev 206. The title of my presentation is Social Media Now and Beyond Developmental Communication. So, social media applications like Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram are very useful nowadays in developmental communication. And I want to answer the question of in the DF, which is in the context of the Philippines, will new media platforms, internet radio, ebooks, etc., have a role in developmental communication work? So my answer to that is I want to quote Miss Annalisa Wakat. She said that I believe that development communication and development communication are very useful in our society because societal problems are still everywhere. People need to be informed so they can make proper decisions for themselves. People need to be empowered so that they can help and defend themselves by looking for solutions to their problems. This is where developmental communication comes in. So, what are the roles of developmental communication? What are the roles of social media applications in developmental communication? Number one is instant communication. Connectivity and communication. Social media platforms enable individuals to connect across geographical boundaries, facilitating communication and collaboration. Another one is global connectivity, information sharing. Social media serves as a powerful tool for disseminating information quickly, allowing communities to stay informed about important issues such as health, education, and social justice. The third one is awareness and advocacy. Social media serves as activists and organizations can use social media to raise awareness about social issues, mobilize support, and advocate for change. Campaigns often gain traction through viral sharing. The fourth one is social media contributes to community building. Social media allows the formation of online communities based on shared interests, hobbies, or causes. These communities provide a platform for like minded individuals to connect, share, and support each other. Number five is education and training. Social media serves as an educational resources and learning opportunities are available through social media, allowing users to access knowledge and skills development. So, the last one is the economic opportunities. Social media can help small businesses and entrepreneurs reach larger audiences, market their products, and engage with customers, contributing to economic growth. So I have here an example of an advertisement by ProLife UK. So advertisement is used to create awareness to people when they are played in social media. This is the story of a homeless and on his own age at 6, Daniel sowed flowers on the street to survive. He fought for his life on a daily basis and knew that he had no one to rely on but himself. Watch as Daniel realizes he doesn't have to defy the odds alone. Find out more stories of Filipino fighters at ProLife UK. So thank you. So that was my presentation, and for references, I will attach it to the DF. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone, and God bless.